Here we are today at the Southern Konnection workshop in Houston, Texas, and we are here today with Miss
Eva Poke.
Eva Poke, and you're a member of what group?
Southern Konnection line dance.
Good, great there. Miss Eva, can you tell us a little bit about line dancing?
Line dancing is good for your mind, your body. As a senior citizen, it is the best exercise you can have, because while you're exercising, you're having fun.
Great, great. Are you an instructor?
No, I'm not an instructor, but I do assist in the class.
Okay. How long have you been line dancing?
I've been line dancing for 8 years.
8 years there?
Yes.
And I guess you inspired others as well, right?
Oh, definitely so. You know, in our class, in our group, we're more like a family. So if we have some new members that come in who don't really know the step, one of us will stand next to the person and call out the steps until they can catch on their own.
Okay, good. Now, what has line dancing done for you personally?
Personally, line dancing has improved my agility because I suffer with asthma. And our group, our main focus on line dancing is line dancing for the health of it.
Right.
So, you know, it helps your mind, so you won't be, when you get a little bit older, you won't be getting senile too early.
What has line dancing changed? You've seen changes in your students or fellow classmates?
Well, in our class primarily is for more senior citizens, but there are other groups in Houston that pertain more to the younger, maybe the later 30, 40 crowd. So, you know, line dancing is for everyone. In our organization, we have as young as 26, as old as 80.
We see a lot of the line dancers, the age range typical is between 40 to 70. Why do you think that is, that we have more of your elderly line dancing nowadays?
Because it's an easy form of exercise. I mean, you can go outside, but I mean, you get tired of just walking. With line dancing, it's a fun activity. You're exercising and you don't really know that you're exercising at the same time.
What about shyness?
What about what?
Shy. Being shy.
Oh, being shy. We have
has line dancing helped them with that?
Yes, it has. Yes, we have. In fact, we have 2 new members who just joined our organization, and they're very shy ladies. So, I mean, they would just sit on the sideline and watch, and, you know, through a little bit coaching, and again, with assisting them by calling the steps and dancing either in front of them or behind them, they've been able to come out a little bit. Okay.
What lasting points would you like to give people that will be watching this here?
Don't sit down, get involved, even if it's just 1 class a week. Everybody started out as a beginner. They didn't start out as an advanced student. It started out as a beginner. So try it, and believe me, you'll enjoy it, and always go to class.
Okay, good. Thank you. We want to thank you for this interview here from the Southern Konnection here in Houston. And we want you to continue doing what you're doing. It's a great smile. She helped us when we came to Houston get registered and everything. And we want to thank you for this interview to Ms. Eva.
Thank you, Mr. K. Have a good day.
Thank you.